New spatula. Get that oil. Get that all moved around here on the grill. We cut the potatoes and then we let them sit in cold water, and then Gabby dried them off. So we get all that starch out of them. They should cook a lot easier. Get that going. Hot and windy. Homemade French fries. Seasoning them with a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt down. Some of that pepper in there. Oh yeah. We are over here at Soledad Canyon. We're camping for the 4th of July. I have Gabby and Angie with me. And I promised that I would cook for them for 3 days straight. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And that's what I'm doing right here on the Blackstone. So we're going to have, tonight we're going to have homemade French fries and Smashburgers. I'm going to have my take on Smashburgers. But we have a problem because we forgot the wax paper and the tin foil. So we're going to improvise, overcome, and adapt by using a paper plate. I don't know if it's going to work or not. But, you know, when we forget stuff and we don't have it, that's the best we can do. And, you know, we're going to show you how to use stuff that's overcome, adapt, and improvise. It's tough with this wind out here, but man, these are going to taste good. Oh yeah. Can you hear him talking? Listen to that, man. Starting to brown up. Oh yeah. We left the skin on this too. So it took me exactly less than 5 minutes to cook all, or to cut all these up. We have a special secret chopper thing that cuts the fries just like this. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, Ange.
Oh, it's good, honey.
Laid it on there. There's your burger.
I'll take those bits. Oh, okay.
Flippy. Flippy. Burger down. Now I season these burgers with just a little 10 seconds. 1 1,000. 2 1,000. 3 1,000. 4 1,000. 5 1,000. 6 1,000. 7 1,000. 8 1,000. 9 1,000. 10 1,000. Oh yeah. There you go. 10 seconds. That's a smash burger right there. Look at the size of that. Oh yeah. Look at the size of this freaking burger. You like the sauce?
We're gonna try it.
What's the chips taste like? Are they okay?
Alright.
I'll get better at it. Okay.
I don't know.
Flippy. Look at that. It's so big. The cheese don't even cover that one. That's what they call in California a grande burger. Grande.
Why don't you throw your other one on?
I will. This one melted. How's that special sauce? You like it? Huh? You make that again? Huh?
Some adjustments.
With some adjustments. What do you want adjusted? Look at that burger. What would you like adjusted?